This is how I would include dwarves in my vampire campaign. Nobody would expect a dwarf vampire. It is still the fantasy world that we know, but it just expanded and be like fun again. I like the thought that instead of being so vampire finesse, then they are just brutal and big and they just want blood. Like they just cut people in half and then just shake the blood off and put it in a barrel and then just drink it like it's ale. I just love that idea that they are extremely brutal and they don't have that charm, that Astorian charm. And what if they were still very racist people, but they don't want to drink any kind of blood. They don't want to drink elf blood. It has to be the last thing they do. The dwarf that I picture and take inspiration from making this miniature was Thorin from The Hobbit. He is a good person, but he's just so arrogant. He thinks everything belongs to him, and he tries to control everything in a sense because it is his birthright. That energy could be used in a vampire character that is a dwarf. I just like that energy, that arrogance, that brutal way of being a vampire. If you think about half-elf or elf vampires, and then there are the savage Nosferatu. Then in between that, there is the dwarf vampire. I don't know about you, but I don't think many people out there in this world have tried to encounter a dwarf vampire. Because it's kind of stupid. I don't know the biology and the law and all that, but I really don't care. I think it is a funny idea. I think it would be fantastic and just fun. And that's the whole point of it. The journey, the unexpected things, the memories. They just walk off the table like, a dwarf vampire? Like, where did you get that idea from? Like, I just... So if you download and print this supportless dwarf vampire, then tell me your players' reactions. I generally want to know how they are reacting to this miniature and how they are reacting to the story that you are providing with this miniature. It is so out of whack and I love it. Happy printing and see you soon.